I'm just walking aimlessly for a while here through the beautiful city of Hanoi. There's so many nice people around, and it's been a lovely experience so far. I like doing this because you never know what you're going to find. On other days, I might decide to have somewhat of a plan, but just walking around, looking around, enjoying the sights, sounds, food, people. I really love the adventure. When you get out and just walk around, you've got to trust your gut. Make sure that you stay safe, but it's such a great way, and I met so many interesting and nice people by doing just this. One man told me how much he loved Americans, bought me coffee after coffee. It was really an enjoyable time. All right, this gentleman just said, let's go for a cup of coffee, and I said, let's do it, right? So one minute I'm walking down the street, and the next minute I'm on a motorcycle, and here I come upon St. Joseph's Cathedral. I really wanted to see it. It is the oldest cathedral in Hanoi, began construction in 1886, and its resemblance, because of the French influence, to Notre Dame of Paris is unmistakable. Had a great time with Tuk, gazing out at hundreds of people listening to the nighttime mass. It was truly something I'll never ever forget. After coffee, it was time to hop back on the motorcycle with Tuk, a guy I just met a few minutes ago, and take a look at the city. After all, it was my first day in Hanoi, and I was enjoying seeing people working and the vibrant fruit stands and vegetable stands, some fruits that I've never ever seen before, meeting new and lovely people, the sights, the smells, the sounds of new things. It was great. But we were pointed toward the Red River. I really wanted to see it, so it was time to get back on foot. Constructed in 1899 by the French, my friend Tuk and I are strolling down this lovely bridge. You can see Hanoi and all the hustle and bustle of the city down below. It's a great experience, a wonderful country, and so far it's been nothing but an extraordinary adventure. And there it was, the Red River, northern Vietnam's largest river. It rises in China and flows over 700 miles southeast to discharge into the Gulf of Tonkin. The silt it carries is rich in iron oxide, making the water red and giving this famous river its name. Back on the motorcycle again with Tuk, we decided to go out and meet his family. So we ventured about 40 miles outside of Hanoi. And there was the close encounters, the close calls, the getting a little too close to some giant trucks, but I loved it all. And believe me, that helmet I was wearing wouldn't protect a kid in a Little League game. But it's all part of the adventure, part of being in a different place. And Tuk was an extraordinary guide, and we got to see some things that you don't get to see on the average tour. What a first day in Hanoi. It was extraordinary. St. Joseph's Cathedral, venturing out to meet Tuk and his family, dining with the locals, the Red River, walking aimlessly around a new place with new smells, new sounds, and new foods. It was fantastic. Hanoi, a great place to visit. Please check out more Friedman Adventures video about Vietnam and several other adventures that you and your family are going to love.